been a really long time since I filmed a video. I didn't really know if I was going to be filming any more videos, but here I am. Anyways, this is the first time using my SLR camera, and I just want to make sure I don't run out of battery life because I don't really know how long I have. So I'm going to get to the point quickly. Today I'm going to be showing you and kind of talking a little bit about these Louis Vuitton sneakers that I got. They are called the Stellar sneaker boots. And in Canada, they retail for $1,150. I got them for a Christmas gift, and I absolutely love them. So I just really wanted to do like a little quick video on them and show you how I style them. Also, I just wanted to mention that I think for a luxury purchase or any luxury item I own, these are really getting the most wear of anything. Like, you know, I never really thought to buy, like I don't buy a lot of luxury, right? But I just never thought to spend money on shoes. Like, I guess I always thought, oh, you know, you get like fancy shoes, get like, you know, some nice heels or something for dressing up. But honestly, like sneakers, what a good investment, because that's typically what I wear. And I've had these since Christmas, and like, you can see the wear on them. I wear them all the time. It's been snowing a lot here in Canada, but other than that, like if there's no snow, I wear these shoes. And they go with everything. They're so great. I cannot recommend these enough. And I love, I guess this is like the Stellar design. I honestly don't know too much about it, but I know this is like some collection that they did with an artist. So these are cats on here. I have no idea how my filming's going, so hopefully it's okay. Some details I really like about it, like I love the zipper. It kind of looks like something that you would actually cut off because it's just a plastic zip pull, but it's just really cool. Like, and I love the gold hardware. I think the gold is just like really nice. And then so you can undo this and you can slip in like this. I'm actually not able to. Maybe some people are. I still have to undo the laces each time, but yeah, I also love this. I just think this is really nice, like to show on the back of your legs. Like, and your pants kind of like bunch up here, so it's just like a cool detail that makes it really different. White soles. It does have a little, it says Louis Vuitton right here. Yeah, rubber, and then like leather. The white part is leather. Mine are starting to get scuffed up a little bit, but to be honest, I don't really mind it because they're still gonna look good even with some scuffs, and I just love them. And the main thing is that I use them, so I'd rather use them than have them sit on the shelf and, you know, get no use and stay pretty. There's no point. So this is how they came tied from the store. Just this like neat design. They fit true to size. I am a 7.5 to an 8, and I got a 38. It says made in Italy. Yeah, they're just super cute, super functional, and go with everything. So let's get into it, and I'm gonna show you some looks. So as you can see from those clips, there are so many different ways that you can wear these sneakers. I find that I am a really casual dresser, and these sneakers work absolutely perfect for me. There are so many different ways to wear them. They're super versatile. The only thing I do have to say, if you are planning to get these shoes, is that actually the initial pair that I received, for some reason, I have no idea why, but the right foot kept squeaking. Like every time I took a step, it was so squeaky, and it was loud enough, like if I was in a store or something, like other people could hear it, and it was really embarrassing. I feel like shoes can kind of make a little bit of a noise to like an acceptable limit, but this was just like unbelievable, and the left foot didn't do it at all. So I took them in. I felt like they weren't gonna care that they made a sound, but thankfully the girl was really nice, and she gave me a new pair. She even like, we got to like walk around the mall, like out into the mall where it was quieter to make sure that the new pair wasn't squeaking at all. So that was really good. So I just want to let you know, for some reason, if you get these sneakers and they are squeaking or one shoe is like kind of squeaky, that is not normal. So take your shoes back to the store and get a new pair. Other than that, true to size, super comfortable. I believe they come in a black and gray version. I have like the red and kind of dark brown version. Yeah, I just can't recommend them enough. I hope that you like this video, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I want to start making videos again. So yeah, that'd be awesome. Leave a comment down below. How did you like this video? Please subscribe. Yeah, that would just make me feel so good. It's been a really long time since I've made a video. I get really nervous making videos, so it's a lot for me to make a video, and I really appreciate it if you leave me some positive feedback. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.